Hello and welcome back to the video. My name is Andrew Kuhn, Focus Compounding. Thank you so much for tuning in with me here today. And in this video, we are going to be going over 10 overlooked stocks that's on Focus Compounding Capital Management's watch list that you should take a look at. So if this is the first time that you're tuning in with me here today, I want to thank you so much for joining in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, thumbs this video up, and check out all the other content that we have. We have a podcast with over 121 different episodes with everything investing related. My partner, Geoff Gannon, and myself go through a bunch of different topics, and we go pretty deep on those topics, and it's been a lot of fun. So be sure to check us out there. We write about stocks at focuscompounding.com, and then we also manage capital for investors as well at focuscompoundingcapitalmanagement.com. Best way to learn about us is check out our website, focuscompounding.com, and then check out my Twitter, which is at focuscompound, which is where I pretty much push everything out. So in today's video, we're going to be going over 10 overlooked stocks that you should take a look at. Obviously, I've done a video in the past, so be sure to check that out, going over what qualifies us to be interested in a stock. It has to be overlooked, and it has to be a good business, and it has to be trading at a price that we think is relatively cheap. So be sure to check out that video if you want to walk through that process. All these companies right here are currently on our watch list, which means that we may buy them soon, or we're definitely interested in them. We may not like the current price that's trading at, but it's definitely something that we check often to see what's going on with the business. We really like the company. If they have a star next to them, that means that they have been written up on the Focus Compounding Premium website, whether by myself, Geoff, or one of our members. So if you want to take a look and read the research reports, you can go over to the website to read about them. So the first one is Trinity Bank. This is a stock that Geoff really likes. It is a smaller bank here in Fort Worth. Geoff and I live in Dallas, but this is headquartered on the Fort Worth side of things. Number two is Stratco. That is a stock that was on our watch list that I uploaded in the past. And if you're interested and you want to read about the company, the title of it is Highly Cash Generative Aquarium Operator. They operate aquariums overseas. So that's number two on our list. Number three is Gainsco, which they do auto insurance here in Dallas. It's a Dallas-based company, but they do auto insurance all throughout the United States. Number four is Parks America. This is a company that if you are familiar with my videos, you should definitely recognize the name. I wrote up a post about this at focuscompounding.com, and then I have also gone through a few different videos walking through different investing topics with Parks America. The title on Focus Compounding for this stock is a gem trading at a 15% free cash flow yield that should have 50% of its current market cap in cash within 5 years. Obviously, they operate safaris in Georgia and Missouri, and it's a very interesting idea, especially if you are managing your own personal money or you just have smaller sums of capital to invest. So definitely take a look at that idea. Number five is Standard Diversified. That's a company that was written up on the Focus Compounding website by Geoff, and the title is Get a Solid Tobacco Brand and a Solid Marijuana Brand at a 33% discount to their market value. So definitely take a look at that on the website if you're interested in learning about it. Number six is Canterbury Park. They do horse racing, a casino. I believe they also do food and beverage. So it's pretty much an entertainment company. Take a look at that. Number seven is Biffa, which is a company that was on the last watch list video that I did. They do waste management in the UK. Number eight is Sydney Airport, which is a new stock that Geoff has recently talked to me about. Pretty self-explanatory. They own an airport in Australia. It's a very interesting idea, so definitely take a look at that. I'm sure a lot of people watching have not done due diligence on an actual airport itself. Number nine is Fujitec, which they do research and development, installation of elevators and escalators. Elevators is a very good business. And then like servicing of those elevators is, obviously an even better business. So definitely take a look at that business. And then number 10 is Ardent Leisure, which is the most recent stock written up on Focus Compounding. And the title is Initial Interest Post and a Request for Scuttlebutt. And then they are an entertainment business overseas in Australia. And then they also do some stuff here in the United States as well. So if you want to get access to all of these ideas and I guess get our watch list every single week in your inbox. This is the most important part of the video. Go to focuscompoundinggazette.com. I'm going to put that down in the description and sign up with your email. What that will do is you will get one free email from Geoff every single week. And in that email, he's going to put what we're currently looking at, a company, what he's going to write about on the website next week, and then you will also get our watch list for free. So even if you don't sign up for the website, you will know that we're interested in these companies because you'll get our watch list for free, and then you could go do your own due diligence. So it's a lot of fun. So I want to thank you so much for tuning in with me here today. Be sure to check out all my other content, subscribe to this video, check out our podcast. We have a bunch of different podcasts going over everything investing related, and I will see you in the next video.